Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you if you're using Monday.com in your organization, it's most likely that you'll have a situation where you need technical support to remotely log in to fix certain issues. So if you're the head of IT or simply working in IT department, you may want to enable the feature that allows you to make these changes. So to do that, you want to go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side and click in administration. Now click on security, then click on authentication and scroll down to the bottom. Here you'll find the option to allow remote tech support, and once you have this feature set up to allow it as a technical support agent, you can easily remotely log in into any one of those users' account to solve any issue. So go ahead and click allow remote tech support. Go ahead and select the period. That could be for 3 months or whatever it is. So I'm going to just say for 1 week and click and confirm. And that's how you can easily grant access to technical support to easily remote into your Monday.com account to solve issues. Once you're finished, you can easily follow the steps to revoke the technical support access by simply clicking revoke, and it will no longer be there. And that's pretty much it.